How to farm RON on the Katana network. First, what is the Katana network? This is a sidechain to the Ethereum based on top of Ethereum with very low transaction fees currently. In order to farm, first you have to create your Ronin wallet. After you have created it, you have to fund it. The third step is to link it to the Katana network. So the next step is to provide liquidity for one of the pairs, IXS Ethereum, Ronin Ethereum, SLP Ethereum. As of recording, the highest reward is on the SLP, 69%. Then you have to go to pool, add liquidity and choose the pair. I'm choosing SLP, and in case that you don't have Ethereum, you have to go to swap and swap some of the SLP for Ethereum. What are the downsides of providing liquidity? First, you can lose some of your SLP or some of your Ethereum depending on the currency exchange. So in this case, I'm gonna provide liquidity for SLP 675, for Ethereum, wrapped Ethereum, confirm supply. Then you have to confirm it on your Ronin wallet. As you can see, the transaction fee is just 0.301 USD in RON. Now I'm ready. Now I can go to farm to SLP wet. As you can see, the transaction is confirmed, and I have already stacked from before $38 in SLP wet. Now I can stake also the current one that I did, stake it, another 0.301 for the transaction. And now, as you can see, those are the claimable tokens that I have for the last 24 hours. Now I can claim this, another transaction fee, confirm, the process is pending, it's confirmed now, and I can redeem again my RON in the next 24 hours. That's it. Thank you very much for watching.